I want you to imagine for a second how different your life would look right now if you were making an extra $300 per day. Now, instead of just imagining, I want you to believe that it's possible to do exactly that. Because in this video, I'm going to reveal to you one of the best online businesses that you can start in 2024. That's proven to work, it can earn you well beyond $300 per day, and that is Pinterest affiliate marketing. By the end of this video, you will learn how Pinterest is one of the most underrated platforms for affiliate marketing, and that this opportunity doesn't require any experience and can be started with a zero upfront investment. I'm going to walk you step by step through the process of creating your affiliate marketing brand, how to find the best affiliate marketing programs, and how to use AI and other tools to do a lot of the heavy lifting. And be sure to stick around to the end because I'll be sharing a few tips on the way to help you scale this even faster. Okay, so why Pinterest? There are a lot of platforms out there that can be used for affiliate marketing. YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, blogs on your own website, those are all still great. However, Pinterest has tremendous opportunity this year and moving into 2025 because it has over 500 million monthly users, and honestly, that's a lot. And the fact that most other marketers totally overlook Pinterest in favor of other platforms, it's really crazy the amount of untapped potential here. Now, the majority of users on Pinterest are female, but that shouldn't stop you from starting any brand you want, even if it leans to being directed towards men. Okay, so a brief overview of what you'll be learning in this video. First, we'll be finding a niche. Two is how to find the best products to promote. This could be anything from notebooks to athletic gear, even digital products and programs. Then we'll cover how and where to create a logo and a name, and really a full brand to go around your affiliate business. And then we'll walk through step by step how to create a business account on Pinterest and how to optimize your links and automate some of the process. Okay, so let's jump right in and talk about finding a niche. When most people think of Pinterest, they think of consumer products like fashion and makeup, lifestyle, home decor, cooking, stuff like that. While these are great categories, they're also super competitive and quite saturated. It's not impossible to get into these categories and these niches, but it just might take longer and it might be a little bit more work. So I recommend going with something smaller, maybe a little bit more targeted, that has fewer creators to compete with, but will still attract viewers and attention and provide an opportunity for affiliate marketing. Ideally, you can pick something that you're somewhat knowledgeable of or even passionate about, but if nothing comes to mind, you don't really have to worry. The worst thing you can really do is let option paralysis set in and spin your wheels trying to find the perfect niche. If you think that that might be you, I'd consider just going with a kind of proven profitable niche, something like business, finance, tech, health and wellness. Any of those are really great. You can even ask ChatGPT to give you a list of 100 niche ideas that are more targeted and see if any of them resonate with you. But don't worry too much. You can always pivot and change your niche later if necessary. And look, I want to pause right here and say that this is not a get rich quick scheme by any means. It will likely take months to start making any money, and you might only make small amounts initially. However, if you keep at it, right? If you start, you stick to it, you commit, and you have the gumption and the knowledge in mind knowing that you're gonna have to do this over a long period of time, there is potential to make substantial income. But there is a 100% chance of not making any money at all if you refuse to start and at least try. But I think you're here because you're interested in learning different ways of making money online. And honestly, this is one of the best, one of the most beginner-friendly options, and one of the best scalable strategies out there. But starting and being willing to keep going is required, just like any other venture out there. And look, if you like learning about ways to make money online, I recommend subscribing to this channel right now. I share videos like this twice a week, and if you don't subscribe to this channel and hit the bell, YouTube won't show you these videos when I post them. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's completely free and you can always change your mind later. So for this video, I personally am going to move forward with a self-improvement brand. So let's go to ChatGPT and get some help thinking of a name. So I'm going to ask, give me 22-word self-improvement brand name ideas for affiliate marketing. Okay, let's go with Apex Mind. I think that sounds pretty good. I think creating a professional brand image is really important because it helps build like immediate trust with your audience. But please don't overthink this step too much. Just spend 2 to 3 minutes tops. Ask for ideas that are related to your niche, pick one and move forward with it. Next, let's talk about finding products to promote on Pinterest. But before you can do that, you'll need a website. Just something simple that you can post blogs and showcase your affiliate programs and products. This step is pretty important because most affiliate programs out there, like Amazon Associates, they actually require you to have some kind of professional website. This kind of weeds out people that are looking to be a little spammy and just trying to post random affiliate links in comment sections around the internet. There are plenty of website building platforms out there, but I personally recommend using the AI-powered website builder called Durable. You can literally have a new website up and running in a couple of minutes and with just a few button clicks. So once you have a brand name picked out, you'll go to durable.com or just click the link down in my description and then you'll click start for free. So what type of business are you building? Go ahead and just put affiliate marketing. Where's your business located? I'm in Texas. Put somewhere in the US, click next, enter the name of your business. Mine is Apex Mind, and then generate website. And just within a few clicks in a couple of seconds, a fully functional website is being created right in front of you. Obviously you can go through and edit any of the sections, but in order to do that, you will have to sign up. So you just click make it yours, How did you hear about us? Go ahead and put YouTube. You can sign up with Google or just put an email address and password and create your account. For the sake of this video, I'm not going to go through and do this, but you can obviously make any customizations you want, but I did want to show you something real quick. Go ahead and go up to the top left corner and click the home. Click website, and you'll be able to go through here and create blog posts. This is where you'll go whenever you think of ideas in your niche using AI like ChatGPT or Claude. Use those tools to help create blog posts. This is where you'll go to actually create them and post them on your website. So instead of promoting a link directly on a pin in Pinterest, you'll actually create a blog post and use that URL to your blog post on the pin in Pinterest. And then when someone goes and clicks on that pin, they'll be taken to the blog post, and in the blog post is where you'll actually promote your affiliate links. But I just want to give you a quick overview of actually how to create your first blog using Durable. Like I said, the link for Durable is down in the description below. It is one of the best and easiest platforms out there for building a website. And I mean, look, anywhere you go, it's going to cost a little bit of money to get a website stood up, but that's really the only cost that's going to be incurred starting an affiliate marketing business. But it is important to build a full brand around this. You want a brand that from day one, people look at it and they say, this is a legit whatever niche you pick brand. Self-help, health and wellness, cooking, fashion, home decor, whatever niche you go with, you want people to look at and go, this is a legit brand that I can trust. So having a website to go with your Pinterest account is really important. Another thing you're going to want to do is grab the name and the handle across all the other social media platforms. You'll want to get the Instagram handle, the Twitter handle, the YouTube channel, TikTok, Facebook. Owning those handles and posting across all those platforms, that will help establish your brand and build authority in whatever niche you decide to go with. Okay, so now that you have your website, you're ready to apply to some affiliate programs. Of course, I recommend Amazon Associates, as it's really a great starting point for new affiliate marketers. You can promote almost any product on Amazon, and you earn a small commission for all the sales that are made through your link. Commissions range anywhere from 1 to 8% depending on the category. But of course, not all products or programs that you would even want to promote are on Amazon. So it's totally worth researching other affiliate programs in your niche. So for me in the self-improvement niche, I would just Google best self-improvement affiliate programs or whatever niche you decide to go with, and find lists of options that might have higher commissions. But there's other platforms like ClickBank and Impact.com that make the process of discovering products and programs really easy. Okay, so you have some products, your website's ready to go. Now it's time to start creating content and posting on Pinterest. First, you'll start by creating an account on Pinterest. Whether you already have one or you're creating a new one, make sure that you convert it to a business account. It's totally free and you'll get access to analytics, insights, and other tools that will help you grow your account. Okay, so this is what your page will look like when you're done. Now it's time to create a logo, a profile picture, and create a banner. Most everyone on Pinterest uses Canva. So all the posts are basically starting to look the exact same these days. So I recommend using a tool called Kittl. They do have a free version that you can use to get started. I'll link it down below in the description. As you can see here, when you land on the page, you can really search for any type of template you need. For example, let's search Pinterest and see what comes up. Yeah, I mean, these look absolutely legit. But first, we need a logo. So let's go back to the search bar and search logo. You know, whatever niche you're in, whatever logo makes the most sense, you'll just have to go through and either find a free option, but if you choose to sign up and pay, you'll have access to any of the templates in here. But here's what I came up with, and I think it looks pretty good. So I'll go ahead and show you how to update your profile picture on Pinterest. And while we're here, let's go ahead and fill out our About section. Keep it simple, explain what your page is about, and if you need to, use ChatGPT to help here. Okay, so now I need a banner, so I'm gonna head back to Kittl. I'm gonna search for Pinterest banner, and I'm just gonna choose one that kind of fits the same vibe as the profile picture. Same color, same font style, all that stuff. Okay, so this is what I came up with. I think this looks pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and add it to my Pinterest profile. All right, that looks pretty awesome. Okay, so obviously you can take as much time as you need on these assets, but for this video, I think these are good enough for me to get started. All right, so you can see your website here. This can be a link directly to your website, or use something like Linktree. So within one click, someone clicks on that and they just kind of get brought to a list of your favorite affiliate links. Okay, so now that we're done with that, it's time to start creating some boards and pins. What I recommend doing to get started is by creating at least a dozen boards with 20 to 30 pins inside each board. This is really a strong way to get started, but something important to note, with a new Pinterest account, you want to avoid posting too much too quickly and being flagged as spam and potentially getting shadow banned. You can start ramping things up over time, but at first focus on quality over quantity. Okay, so we've covered a lot so far. We have our brand, we have our website, we created a logo with some graphics and added them to our business Pinterest account. Now it's time to start creating some pins. I'm gonna show you exactly how to get started by creating my first one here. So you'll click on Create Pin. This can be done from your phone. It doesn't have to be on a computer, which is nice. Okay, so we need a pin. Let's head back over to Kittl. I'm gonna search Pinterest here. See if we can find a free one. Again, if you're serious about this, I recommend signing up for Kittl's paid plan. It's really not expensive and you get access to all of Kittl's templates, and functionality. But let's go with this one here. Let's do 5 books that will change your life. You can change the background here in Kindle, or if you don't like any of the photos that they provide, you can go to unsplash.com and find some royalty-free photos. I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna search for books. Okay, I like this one. I'm gonna set it as the background. All right, I think this looks pretty good. What's really powerful about Pinterest affiliate marketing is that it's really easy to outsource this part of the process. Once you start to grow and build a little bit of traction, you can hire someone pretty cheap to do this part for you. Okay, so there you go. We have our first pin. You'll just download it to your computer. We'll load it to Pinterest with the title, description, any relevant keywords, and the best tags to use. Okay, so let's have ChatGPT help us out here. Remember that Pinterest is in a way a search engine, so you'll want to make sure that you have all the necessary keywords and tags. That way you have the best chance of your post showing up when someone searches any of those keywords. And then add the tags that ChatGPT provided, and then now add your link. An important tip here, I don't recommend using any URL wrapper or any shortener like Bitly. Pinterest has been known for banning accounts that do that. I would just stick to using direct links to either the product or program or your blog post. For example, say I wrote a full blog post about these books and I have it on my site. I would then take that link and add it here. Then when someone clicks this post, they are then taken to my website where they can read the full article about those books and what I have to say about them. And hopefully when they click on those affiliate links, they buy those books and I get a commission. Okay, then you add it to a board. Let's do that and create a board called books. And now you can post or schedule it for later, but we'll go ahead and click publish. And boom, we have our first pin, and that's really it. And remember, you don't have to reinvent the wheel here. You can go and research what other people are doing, see what's working, and don't be afraid to replicate their overall process. Just don't like download their pictures directly and repost, of course. Don't do that. You'll want to try to make it your own as much as possible. But feel free to borrow ideas from other people. Search what other people are doing. Like I'm doing right here, I'm just kind of clicking through, I'm searching relevant keywords that apply to my niche, and I'm seeing what's working for other people. And what I say to myself, I won't be afraid to replicate what's working for these people. I'm just gonna put my spin on it, kind of my unique take, and make it my own, and just replicate their success, hopefully. And remember that building a means of income through affiliate marketing on Pinterest, it does take time and effort. There aren't a lot of shortcuts, there really aren't any cheat codes. It's just kind of committing to do the right thing, the right way for long enough, and eventually you'll create a system and a business that can easily generate anywhere from $10,000, $15,000, $30,000 a month. Do me a favor and like this video, subscribe while you're at it. It means a lot. I really appreciate it. Hope this video helped you out a lot, and I'll see you in the next one.